I've always been curious. Giant arch bridge next to Hufo Dam. How is it built? Some people say it's like playing a giant building block game. Except this building block is an arch bridge. But the bridge is 274 meters above the river. Center span 323 meters. How about arches in midair? It was cleverly placed on it. Even the longest boom crane can't get that far. So the engineers came up with this idea. High-line blue lock crane at both ends of the arch bridge. 4 lattice towers with a height of 100 meters were erected. Then connect with 762 meters of steel cable. To ensure the cable, it can carry hundreds of tons of weight. A main cable with a diameter of 7.6 centimeters is required. It's a very heavy cable. Helicopter towing can be very dangerous. Therefore, they use a smaller, lighter pilot cable. Go through the canyon first. Attach the main steel basket to the guide cable. Just pull it across the canyon. This is still a bad cableway. Swing left and right up to 9 meters. To transport about 50 tons of materials, there's a taller crane next to it. Lift the cable higher, but take a look at the jungle. These thin arms and thin legs have no sense of security. As expected, when it was built, it collapsed when the strong wind blew it. After the cable lifting system is rebuilt, you can build a foundation under the piers on both sides of the canyon. And then we had to build a balanced foundation called the diagonal back. The load of the bridge structure can be evenly distributed across the canyon walls. After the bridge pier foundation is built, 3 meters high jade pier, dragged into place by blue lock crane. After the climbing template is assembled, you can climb up, so the piers can be built very quickly. Girders and decks can be laid in place. Here we go. It is the most anticipated aerial construction. Arch link, because each arch is too heavy. French blue lock crane direct transportation, so it's built in sections on a diagonal back basis. Using the assembly formwork, build the first section. After the cement in the arch hardens, secure the assembly formwork with a steel frame. Then put it in a steel cage and pour it. With the construction of the arch, more weight will move to the first section of the arch. To counteract this load pressure, you need to install a cable-stayed lock to counteract and disperse this load. Without these zippers, the arch will break and collapse. Before that, temporary towers need to be built for the stay cables. The entire arch has 26 sections. After the construction of the arch is completed, you can remove the stay cables and temporary towers. Crane by Blue Lock, putting prefabricated piers on the arch. Lay the foundation. Finally lay the girders and deck and you're done. Principle of arch bridge. That's the force pulling the surface down. Pass through to the arch. The force on the arch is finally dispersed to the canyon walls. In 2018, Pingnan 3 bridges designed and built by our country. Total length 1,035 meters. Main bridge span 575 meters. It is the largest cross-border that has been built in the world. One of the arch bridges